Welcome to Tali Tadka, Neha. Well, it's nice to bump into you at my place. I'm on holiday, but we're working. So even you're on holiday and you're working.
Yes.
So tell us this show on DD National that you're taking part in.
All right. The show is called Bharat Ki Shaan 2. It's the
second season.
Yes. And it's by Sai Baba Telefilms, Gajendra Singh Ji's production house. So the same one that does Saregama and it started with Close Up and Sakshari.
True.
So it's a great show. What the show is about is that there are going to be finally 20 contestants, 10 representing Metro, the metro cities of India, and 10 representing the non-metro. And then they're going to compete to finally find out who really represents the Indian music. You know, Bharat Ki Shaan metro में है या non-metro के वासियों में है.
Right.
And
so इसमें what kind of music are we going to hear? Totally Bharat? I mean, as in the Indian classical, or is it the Carnatic, or are you going to have an eclectic mix of all types of sangeet that we find in India?
See, that's the fun part, because Indian music goes from the classical to the indie pop and the fusion that is happening nowadays. So this show में we'll find a collection of all. जो non-metro के singers and they're bringing their traditional, you know, the gharanas and the folk music of India. जबकि the metro rock stars, it's the non-metro superstars versus the metro rock stars.
Okay.
The metro rock stars are bringing the rocking and the, you know, the indie rock, indie pop, fusion and latest Bollywood music. So we'll get to hear all kinds of music on the show. And our mentors for non-metro gharana is Mr. Ismail Darbarji, and for the metro superstars it is Usha Uthup ma'am. So that's I'm under her.
So you're in the non-metro section.
Metro.
You're in the metro section.
I'm the metro rock star, and our motto is Halla Bol.
Okay.
So, and we know that metro rock stars are gonna win, no matter what. Metro is what, you know, India people are moving towards the Western culture, and that is what the youth of India today connects more with.
Alright,
so
very true.
Metro is going to make it and we're going to win.
Right, now tell us, how has it been working or you know, getting to Tilaj under Usha Uthup ji?
It's a great experience, and she is, you know, the best part about her is that she's so clean-hearted. She, even on the show when we're shooting, she just says what she wants to say. She likes you, she'll tell you. And she likes, the good part about her is that she likes something in everybody, and she's very encouraging. She would not say that, you know, आपके सुर गलत लग रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हो? She'd say the same thing in a nicer way कि जो original था वो थोड़ा ऐसा था, पर आपने थोड़ा सा वो touch नहीं हुआ उस पे. You know, it's very encouraging to be under her wing, so to say, क्योंकि बहुत सिखाती हैं and बहुत प्यार से सिखाती हैं. And yeah, it's been a great experience, and everyone, whether metro rock stars or the non-metro superstars, we're all gelling in very well, and सभी एक दूसरे को सिखाते रहते हैं. So right now on the show अभी 32 contestants हैं, and the mega auditions are going on. 32 से सिर्फ 20 रह जाएंगे, as I said.
Right.
So we'll find out. अभी ये हफ्ते में खत्म हो जाएगा
mega auditions,
and we'll find out who the top 20 are.
Oh, lovely. Now tell me one other thing, which is your best song, and if you can just hum a couple of lines for us.
Okay, I'll sing a few lines of what do you call it? Ishq Sufiana.
Okay.
रब की कवाली है इश्क को, दिल की दिवाली है इश्क को, महकी सी प्याली है इश्क, कोई सुबह की लाली है इश्क, गिरता सा झरना है इश्क को, उठता सा कलमा है इश्क को, सांसों में लिपटा है इश्क, कोई आँखों में दिखता है इश्क, मेरे दिल को तू जान से जुदा कर दे, यूं बस तू मुझको फना कर दे, मेरा हाल तो मेरी चाल तो बस कर दे आशिकाना, तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना, मेरा इश्क सूफियाना, मेरा इश्क सूफियाना.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Neha. Yes, wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
And hope you do well. And well, I'll be happy to know if you do win, because I'll say I know her.
Yes. Thank you so much, and
thank you so much,
Neha.